Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Ocugen. I've been watching them pretty close here for the last couple days. I've been trying to buy some shares and might have to buy some more, as you can see my cost basis here. But this is Ocugen, ticker OCGN. I've had this one for a while and started looking at it here recently and decided to pick up some shares. And because you have these $15.81, $15.68, these keeps having these run-ups, so I thought if I could catch one of those. Here it traded kind of flat. I mean, it is going down a little bit more than what here, but it's still got another run-up, and it's coming down, so I've just been watching this one to see where it's going to hit the bottom, but it's down over the past 3 months. In the last month it's down over 25%. In the last week it's down over 14%. And here's a look today. So I was hoping to, I missed this opportunity, but that would have been a good buying point as well. But we'll see what it does tomorrow, see if it goes below that. But I'm just trying to get this as low as possible and build up my shares a little bit and see what happens with this one. But if you don't know much about this one, it's a eye company. It's a commercialization and therapies of eye diseases. I first started watching this one for the eye diseases, and then they started talking about the vaccine. So those $15 run-ups, I would have to research those and see exactly what those run-ups are. Like I said, I've talked about this one a couple times, so I'll link those videos in the description. This one's been around since 2013, 5.22 million volume and average of 12.25 with a $838 million market cap, a 52-week low of $1.40 and a high of $18.77. So you see why this is kind of teasing me, so just speculating about it. And next earnings is coming up on March 17th, so looks like I bought some on New Year's Eve, so, and it's came down since then, so I almost wish I would have waited, but over here on Bing is currently showing it as a buy. Here's a little bit more information on Ocugen. I went into their website on my other videos, so you'll have to watch those. I'll link those in the description. Noble Capital market / price target on Ocugen, and this is dated on the 3rd. Closed the trading session at $4.55 on 12/31/2021. Day's price range saw a stock hit a low of $4.53, while the highest price level was $4.88. Company report on December 30th of 2021. So they've been working with Bharat Biotech, announced a positive immunogenicity and safety data from the Covaxin candidate vaccine in children 2 to 18. So say what you want about the vaccine and all that. I'm just going to say crap, but I'm just watching the stock. So feel free to pause and go over the rest there. Stock have a year-to-date performance of 148.63% and weekly performance of minus 14.15%. The stock has been moved at minus 37.59% over the last 6 months. The stock has performed minus 24.54%. And compared to the average trading volume of 34.02 million shares, Ocugen reached to a volume of, in the most trading session. So we'll see what the volume and the trading on this one does in the days and weeks to come, and hopefully the best on this one. Here it kind of goes over some ratings. We'll go over those more at the end. Ocugen is increased 60.15%, so here's what we can expect on the upswing, and this is dated here on the 6th, and so that's today. Traded shares were 10.05 million with a beta value of a company hitting 4.59 at the end of the trading day. The stock's price was $4.18, reflecting an intraday loss of 6.49% or 29 cents. 52-week high of Ocugen was $18.77. That puts it down 349.04 from the peak through a striking 66.51% gain, since the share price plummeted to a 52-week low of $1.40. So this one's been kind of all over the place in regards to speculating on the vaccine and the other things that it has going on. Here's some more ratings. Like I said, we'll go over those at the end. See if there's any other information in here. I'd have to look about doing an option on this one, but over here on StockTwits, currently at $4.17 with a low of $1.40, high of $18.77. Let's flood the comments and spread the word about 425, 430 max. Ever goes back above 10, I bet 95% of retail sells and never looks back. Exactly. That's what I'm wanting to do with this one. It's been my thought all along. So over here on MSN Money, currently at 422. Ocugen is being shown as a buy. Over here on Tip Ranks, currently at 423, also showing a moderate buy. Out of 3 ratings, 2 are showing a buy, 1 is a hold, with 144% upside to 1033. So I still have hope for this one. I think it's going to run up. I'm hoping it's going to run up after I get a couple more shares. I'm just kind of, like I said, watching to see where the bottom is on this one. And the high is showing at 15 and a low of 6 on this one. So even if it went to the low, I'd be in the green a little bit. So, but that's all that I have on Ocugen for right now. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis. Any other information you have on Ocugen that we could share. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. And hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.